Hi everybody and welcome. Today I have the latest Apple AirPods 4 and I'm going to tell you how to do a factory reset on them. At first we have to place our both AirPods into our case and close the lid. Now we have to open the lid and double tap below our LED light. Now as you can see our light is flashing white, we have to double tap again and double tap again. Now our hard reset is done. So we have to place our earbuds over here, and now we have to go into our iPhone and into settings and Bluetooth. Here we have to tap info icon near our headphones, forget this device and forget device. That's it, hope it helps you and goodbye.